Finding the next generation of critical mineral deposits is becoming harder. Many of the easier discoveries have already been made. The next ones may be hidden deep beneath the surface, under soil, sand and rock, where traditional exploration can't easily see.
Critical minerals are a real focus at the moment because they're the building blocks for a clean energy, for defence and for modern technology. So we need to find critical mineral resources within Australia so that we're not dependent on other countries. And to do that, we need to become much smarter at the way we explore for mineral systems in this country.
AuScope sits at the start of the process before mining begins, helping researchers, government and industry understand what lies beneath Australia.
AuScope is Australia's national research infrastructure for earth and geospatial sciences. We deploy instruments in the field, we support analytical facilities, and we support data repositories to allow data to be discovered by researchers around the world.
In the field, AuScope's supported instruments help scientists look below the surface without digging first. In Western Australia, seismic surveys are helping reveal geological structures that can't be seen from the surface.
A huge part of Western Australia, and Australia, is covered by this red veneer of dirt, and we're interested in the bedrock beneath, so we need these non-invasive techniques to see into that. And just like a medical CAT scan that uses X-rays, we use seismic waves generated by earthquakes to take that seismological equivalent of a medical CAT scan to see the guts of the tectonic plate. It helps narrow the search because we can non-invasively see through the red dirt that's hiding the bedrock and identify prospective areas where mineral systems may have formed.
Other AuScope-supported tools add another layer, measuring the physical properties of rocks to help build a fuller picture of what lies underground.
The WMT project aims to identify regions which would be more prospective for mineral systems and potentially resources. The instruments we're using are quite bespoke, also very expensive, and AuScope provides about 40% of the instrument pool we're using.
One part of AuScope's national infrastructure is EarthBank, a network of specialised laboratories helping researchers analyse rock samples in much greater detail.
Geochemistry is the analysis of the composition of a rock or a mineral, whereas geochronology is using natural clocks to tell us the age of those minerals and rocks.
That information helps build a clearer picture of mineral systems and gives explorers a more targeted way to decide where to look next.
We have exploration companies wanting to get access to equipment for analysis of samples. They'll do age dating or they'll get chemical information about their samples, and this will be able to tell them where they should perhaps put a drill or where not to drill, but it maximizes the efficiency of their exploration program.
The same principle applies to drill core. Each sample is a physical record of what lies underground. By scanning and preserving it, AuScope-supported infrastructure turns rock into data that can be used again and again.
The HiLoga is a spectral scanner analyzing mineralogical composition of drill core and other rock samples. Drill core tell us story about geology, how the minerals form, about the commodities which this core potentially may contain, information about climate, and lots of other valuable information.
Preserving that information also helps reduce waste and duplication, so future researchers and companies can return to existing core rather than starting again.
The mining company before, they used to waste the drill core. Now we give them opportunity to preserve this information, which will be valuable for next generation of researchers.
Together, field instruments, analytical features and drill core data build a clearer picture of Australia's mineral potential.
Exploration is incredibly expensive and has an impact on the environment. So the more data we have to inform where they're going to drill, the better it is for everybody involved.